Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the page, or whatever you want to call it. So today is a whole new day, and I'm thinking about doing something I've really never done before. I mean, I know I say this all the time, but for real, I've never done this. So the car's still jacked up, like it's been for quite some time now. But today I want to focus my attention on these panels. I went to the local fabric store and I picked up this fabric. It's supposed to work. It's supposed to go on outside lawn chairs, is what they told me. Whatever. Then I also picked up some automotive advanced headliner and fabric adhesive. I read the instructions. Well, the only thing I'm scared of so far is this 60-minute wait to install this. But nevertheless, this is what we're going to install today. So I'm going to try this two different ways. The first way is with the panel, this part, the top. Okay. All right, so you see that gray part? I'm going to take the gray part off of the door panel and install it that way. Right? And then that's what I'm gonna do to one side, and whichever side comes out better. I mean, I have more than enough fabric. I think I got 2 yards of it, which is a lot. Nevertheless, and then I'm gonna try the other way, where I'm gonna use a I think it's called a sheet drive, and I'm gonna tuck it. I'm gonna drive it into the seam here, and like if you look at it, I think it'll work, but I could be wrong. But I'm gonna drive it into the seam. Okay, so I'm gonna drive it into the seam all through here, and then here on the top part, what I'm gonna do is, just needed to stand up. Whatever. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this off, and I'm gonna fold it in. And if you look on this side, I'm not sure if I can see it, but you see that little flap right there? You pull these up. I'm going to fold it in and then put this part here back. That's what I'm going to do to one side. And on the other side, I'm going to cut these rivets off and install it that way. Now, I'm going to try to install it with it like this on the car first and see how that comes out. Only because, like, if you look, like, I can tuck that in there. I really feel like I can do it. I just don't know if the adhesive's gonna hold. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do it with it on first, and then I'm gonna do it with it off on the driver's side, and see which side comes out better. If this side comes out really, really good, then I'm gonna do the same thing to the driver's side. If this side comes out really, really bad, I'm going to do the driver's side with taking these rivets off, and then I'm going to take this side off and then take the rivets off and then install it the right way. Like I said, I got 2 yards of that fabric, so I got more than enough. So I pretty much did this side. There's some little imperfections, like there's a little over too much there, too much there. I cut out the slit so that this door handle can fit at the top. That's pretty much done. Just got to tuck these in, remove some of this extra access like that there. I'm gonna clean this up real nice. But yeah, this is pretty much done. I like the way it look. Like I said, I need to clean up this access. I'm using like a brush. I'm gonna scrub it until it flakes away and comes off. Hopefully it doesn't damage the material too much, but for the most part I think it'll be fine. And yeah, man, so this is basically I'm gonna do the other side the same way. I just sprayed it with the adhesive spray, and then I just laid the fabric on top. I tucked it in to the groove here all the way as far as I can with a flathead screwdriver. And yeah, man, I think it looks really nice. So next I'm gonna put this into the car, and I'll show you guys what that looks like in a second. I pretty much put it all back. Now all I have to do now is just put the door handles back in, put this little screw back in, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get that little brush I told you about, and I'm gonna clean up all the excess glue off of the door panel, and then that should be the video. And this is what it looks like installed. Oh man, that red looks nice. As you guys can see, like there's a little bit of areas that does need a little touch up. I don't want to cut this. I want to thank you guys for watching my I don't even know what to call this, red insert install on a Honda Del Sol 1993. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, man, stay tuned. I got plenty more things I want to do to this car. This is one of the things I wanted to do, but I'm still waiting on getting the rear disc. The car is still off the ground. Show you guys what it looks like with the door closed. So if you walk up on the car, to me that is clean. That red accent makes this white car looks really nice. So I want to thank you guys for watching my my door panel inserts, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day.